C5. Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, guys? So today we have a few LS cars, mainly checking out this C5. As you guys know, I do want a C5. I was gonna grab one before I got the F body. Still might get one, not sure yet, but we have a C5, a GTO, and an F body down there. So do a quick walkthrough and then we're gonna kill some tires. What's going on, player?
What's going on?
So make sure you guys go follow my guy on Instagram. I'll pop it up right here, but this is his C5. Tell us about this thing.
C5 base 2000. It's got a Turco V2 cam, BTR intake, running pure 85, FDF, Mega Mantis, steel coilovers, stage 2 trans by Irv, got a stage 3 diff.
What gears are in it?
390s.
390s?
And then I got the ECS trans diff race, Park Shop Max Hydro. Pretty basic.
This thing is set up.
Little drift car, you know, you got all the essentials.
You pretty much have this set up how I was gonna set up my C5 if I got one, with the Mega Mantis and the feels, and this thing is set up beautifully. You got the Con's eyes in the front. These are fucking tight. Clean handbrake. You got the quick release in there. What's exhaust setup you got on it?
Speed Engineering long tube, it's 1 7/8 inch. X pipe, and then it's a straight pipe with a resonator in the back.
All right, you're gonna have to start it for us real fast. Give us a couple revs. It's definitely loud. Nice. C5 gets down. All right. All right, first time driving the C5.
Yeah.
Bro, the release is literally on the floor.
Yeah, it's almost instant.
What the fuck? I was not ready for that.
There you go.
First or second?
You can do either. You can start off first if you want to, get a feel for it, and do second.
This thing is so fun, bro. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, of
This thing
course.
is fun as hell. Holy shit. I need a C5 now.
Good C5.
Good C5.
Good C5.
is the C5. Let's move on to the GTO. What's going on, brother?
What's up with you, man?
So yeah, this is, what year is this?
06 Pontiac GTO.
This thing is clean. What suspension setup you got on it?
I got a Megan Racing Cobras stage 2, I think is in there. Yeah.
What else you got done to it?
So it's got a BTR stage 2 cam, race tech pistons.
Okay.
It's got headers, straight pipe. It's got a Aerojet exhaust on it, so it sounds a little different. Kind of like a motorcycle.
You have to start this thing. Clean interior. I like that tone. It's a different tone.
It's a different tone. It's got 2 jets right here in each tip. You can
sounds good.
Brother, this nigga Jensen is out here, bro. This nigga, Helloooimjensen is out here, bro. What the fuck, bro? Brother. Look, I think I'm just gonna come get you. He just dropped me off with the bike. You gotta go get him.
that is the GTO. Now let's move on to the F-body. What's going on, player? So this is your F-body. What year is this thing? 01. 01. True SS.
SSOP.
SSOP. Okay, my bad. What do you got done to this thing?
So we send on consize and we send on BMR Lawrence Springs.
Okay.
That's about it, but honestly it's just stock, bro. We got speed engineer long tubes with a wide pipe into a Magnaflow.
And this thing's super low miles too. You said 60s?
62.
62. Beautiful. This thing's sitting right. As you guys know, mine is super monster truck tall and it sits really nice. So I've been looking at the Bilstein lowering spring combo. It's a lot cheaper option than coilovers. You want to start this thing for us? Good F-body. We got 3 LS cars. We're pretty much here at LS Fest, and that is pretty much going to be the end of this video. Huge shout out to the homies for coming out. Make sure you guys follow them on Instagram. And now kind of sold on a C5. I really want one. That thing is fun. Mega Mantis, feels, hydro. Yeah, that's pretty much going to be the end of this one. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Our little mini LS Fest. Make sure you tune into the next video. Subscribe, comment, like, all that stuff. If you'd like to support the channel, go down below to helloooimjensen.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
In Las Vegas, victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you can win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first,
The bumper
you're last.
kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
that's what I'm talking about. That phrase, trademark, not for Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.